Today, let's try a very hard challenge of trying to grow this $76. This is a very, very hard challenge, but let's try it using my gold scalper indicator. So I've entered a buy trade because the indicator just sent a buy trade. This is the buy trade from the indicator. This is the buy trade from the indicator. The market is not in a range, and also it is not inside the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so those are the two filters, and that is why I added this position again. So I still added another position again, making it 0.26 lot size total. That is all for now. Let's watch, let's observe, and then let's see what this can give us. This is a confluence trade, like everything is in order. This is the trade on trading view. So looking at the trade on trading view, we can see the buy signal, and then we can say that the candle is not inside the Bollinger Bands, and we can say that there is no range. So there is no range. So that is the reason why we are taking these buys. I will put our stop loss here, and we will aim for at least more than one range, one RR. That is what we are aiming for at least. So this is our first trade of the day. This is the first trade this indicator is giving us today. So it doesn't trade during Asian session. You can see all those ranges during the Asian session. We don't trade Asian session. So this is London session, and this is our first trade for the day. Though it is dropping, but hopefully it won't hit our stop loss. So the market is at our entry. We got a very good entry here. Let's watch, let's observe, let's see how this goes. 8 minutes later, and now we are here. So immediately as we entered our trade, the market went up. So and now we are up 189 US dollars. So this is the trade on the 1 minute chart on our trading view. We see how it's played out. So we see how it played out. When it started going up, it just went up straight, and then now we're having another buy. But I'm not going to take the buy because it just closed out of the range, and the market is going inside the range again. So this might be a bad signal. Like there is no complete confluence on this trade, though it is not inside the bands, and also like the candle is not inside the bands, but it just closed outside the range. So even though it looks trendy, so I'm not going to take this trade. We have a new sell now, which I just entered my position. This is the sell. So this is the sell on trading view. The indicator gave us a sell, so we are expecting it to drop because this is a confluence trade. So the market is not inside the Bollinger Bands, meaning it is not ranging, and also there is no range. It is not inside the range. Okay, so it is not inside the range. This is the first buy we took, and we made profit, and this is the second buy we refused to took, though it went up massively. So but I didn't took this one because my conference was not completed, so I didn't get the final confirmation to enter the trade. That is why. And then this one also the candle that gave the signal was the candle that closed outside the range, so I didn't take it. And now we have this one. The candle that gave the signal is not the candle that closed outside the range, so it was the following candle. So this one is perfect. So this is perfect for me to take the trade. So we don't trade when market is inside the range, or it just the first candle that closed outside the range, and we don't take a trade a if the candle that gave a signal is inside the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so those are the conditions that must be met before I take a trade with this indicator. So this particular one, the conditions are all met. So that is why I'm selling ZAR USD right now. So hopefully we win this one. Boom, we are up over $400 right now. So look at it, we are up over four $500 right now. Let's quickly close it down. Now we are up 524.03 US dollars. So look at it, like immediately we entered, it just started dropping and it's still dropping. It is still dropping massively, guys. And look at it on our trading view. We are up, the market is dropping. It's dropping really hard. So look at it. So I told you guys that this is very nice. This is going to be a nice sell. And yeah, it is. So these are our trade for today. We took this one, we missed this second one, okay, because it didn't match our last confirmation. So that is the reason why I didn't enter this trade. And then this particular one, I didn't take this one too, okay, though it was a very nice, it was a very sweet sell, but I didn't take it because it just closed outside the range. Even though the trend looked trendy, I didn't take that one. And then we have this one, which everything is aligning, okay. So the Bollinger Band is below the Bollinger Bands, the candle did not close inside, and also the market is not inside the range, and also that was not the first candle that closed outside the range. So everything works fine here. So that's the reason why I took the trade. And then you can see how it dropped massively. So this is the history of the account. These are the two trades we have taken so far, the first buy and the sell also. So and our balance is now 524.03. So this is the sell. We see it achieved full target, and we have these two cells which I did not take. So this is the history of the account. I didn't took the two cells. So let me explain why I didn't take these two cells. So looking at this one now, you can see it is clearly inside the range. Okay, so you can see that range there, it is clearly inside it. The second one too, it broke the range, but it was a fake out. It didn't close below the range, like it went back into the range, and the signal was sent inside that range, that consolidation range. So that is the reason why I didn't take that sell, even though it dropped. So I didn't take the sell. So I didn't take these two sells. So I'm waiting for a better trade with a better confidence before I take a trade. So right now there's no trade, but I'm just observing and telling you guys and teaching you guys how I use this indicator. And also, this indicator is supposed to be paid, but I've partnered with my broker to give you guys for free. If you want to get the indicator, check under the video description. um the instructions on how to get is on my Telegram channel, so I'm going to drop the link on the video description. So I want it to be like almost free for everyone who want to use it. I'm having a buy trade on ZAR USD again. So I've entered my position, though I'm running in losses right now, but hopefully it reverse. Look at it. This is the buy. It is not inside a range. When this trade dropped, the market was not inside the range, and it is not inside the Bollinger Bands. That is the reason why I took the trade, and this is it. Coming back to my MT5 now to see that my account have turned to zero. So that particular trade blown my account, and yeah, this can happen. This can happen. Like, I'm very very sad right now, but you just have to take it like that. Okay, so I'm going to try again. I'm going to try again, and I will let you guys know anyhow it goes. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.